Hello, guten Tag and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the part 2 of microwave series. What is microwave oven 4.0 and will it revolutionize the way we cook in our kitchen is the topic of this video. To grasp the concept of this novel microwave oven 4.0, let's revise the brief history of semiconductors. 1947, the first ever transistor was developed at Bell Labs. Soon after that, 1955, Japan released first ever transistor based radio and it was a big hit. And gradually, inventions were shifted from tube technology to semiconductors. In later decades, a lot of tube-based technologies were obsoleted by the semiconductor technologies. In modern electronic courses, tubes are not taught very much in detail. The layman impression about the tube technology is like an object of medieval times. There is no doubt that semiconductors have revolutionized the world in a way which we could not have imagined without semiconductors. However, do you know that we are still using tube-based technology in our homes, in our kitchen, and that is in microwave oven. The existing ovens what we have at home, they are using tube-based technology. Why were they not replaced with semiconductors in the past? The reason is quite simple. The semiconductors never outweighed in performance compared to the tube technology. They were not reliable, they were not efficient enough, and tube technology was just efficient and reliable in that case. But in recent years, or to be precise, in last 10 years, there have been a lot of recent advancements in semiconductor technology, and these advancements in semiconductor technology have enabled the replacement of tube-based technology with the semiconductors. So here comes the question: will semiconductor technology replace the tubes used in our household ovens? Or we can rephrase the same question: will the microwave oven used in our home these days will be obsoleted in coming years? This is the question I want to answer in this video. But to answer this question, I will go through 5 following points. What is microwave oven 4.0? What is technology behind microwave oven 4.0? And what is the benefits for the end users, for you, for every one of us who want to use this oven at home? What are the benefits for the end users? And number 4, commercial availability of this oven. That if anybody is interested, can he simply go to the market and buy one? We will talk about this one as well. And number 5, also if not the most important, one of the very important point, price of this oven. How much it cost and is it affordable for the general public? So these are the 5 points we will discuss in this video, and after discussing these 5 points, we will be able to answer this question that if the microwave oven in our home will be obsolete or not. With the advent of semiconductor technologies, the microwave ovens being fed by the solid state power amplifier, as known as SSPA, can be called microwave oven 4.0. This term is coined due to the smart capabilities of SSPA fed oven to integrate with Internet of Things interfaces and embedded controllers. Just for the sake of revision, in part 1 of our series, we coined the terminology microwave oven 1.0. which is for the magnetron based microwave ovens. And when these ovens are combined with additional functionalities like grilling functions or steaming functions, we can call them microwave oven 2.0 or microwave oven 3.0. Microwave oven 4.0 is the terminology exclusively for the microwave oven fed by solid state power amplifiers or SSPA. The story of microwave oven 4.0 started in around 2010 when a significant step forward in LDMOS technology paved the way for replacement of tubes in domestic and industrial microwave ovens with the semiconductors. Since then, both LDMOS and gallium nitride technologies are achieving significant milestones and quite quickly to deliver energy efficient and cost optimum transistors for commercial applications in domestic as well as industrial, microwave, heating and drying applications. This novel technology brings with it a lot of new techniques which can significantly enhance the control of the energy being delivered to the food or any other object in domestic or industrial microwave oven. And the reason for that is quite simple. We are not bound to a single, specifically in domestic microwave oven, we are not bound to single tube or few number of tubes. We can use here multiple number of transistors with multiple number of antennas, and that can be coupled with the closed loop feedback from temperature sensors or any other sensor, moisture sensor, whatever we want to use here. And it enables us to deliver the energy exactly to the point where we want to deliver it. And because of the control loop feedback, this oven adapts to the changing load condition of the food or whatever you are cooking in domestic or industrial microwave oven. Your sensor sense the real-time state of your product, food or whatever it is, and gives this feedback to the transistor based solid state power amplifiers, and they adopt the amount of energy which should be delivered, and your control algorithm defines how much should be delivered to what point and how much should not be delivered to that point. So these are the technical points, and we can go later in details as well. For the general consumers, I think this is just a brief overview of that. Another point which I would like to mention here is that it's also a little bit revision from the part 1. I mentioned in part 1 that with the tube technology, we are restricted only to a single ISM frequency 2.45 GHz. In domestic oven, it is not technically and commercially feasible to use any other frequency, ISM frequency. That was not possible with tube technology. But in this microwave oven 4.0, we have freedom to choose the frequency. We can go from 2.4 to 915 megahertz, which gives milder cooking effects. And it's also possible that we can combine 2 to 3 different frequencies. For example, 5.8 gigahertz, 2.45 gigahertz, and 950 megahertz. That will enable to cook foods of different varieties in a single oven. So in short, this new technology has opened up a lot of innovation possibilities with this microwave oven 4.0. Next, why should you as end user bother about this technology? This novel microwave oven 4.0 will reshape the user experience of heating or cooking with RF energy. The precise cooking will eliminate any kind of overheating or over drying, which means the vitamin retentions in the food will be much better and the food will be more healthier. Another aspect of this technology is that artificial intelligence based Internet of Things devices or already reshaping your kitchen. And this device will be perfect fit for the smart kitchen. Just for example, this device can access the cooking recipes in the cloud, can go and search according to your taste, select one and cook your food based on the recipe which, which are already available specifically for this oven. Just for example, if you have like thousands of contacts or like hundreds of contacts in your iPhone, for example, you go and say, hey Siri, connect me to the person XYZ, and the Siri itself search for the mobile number or and contact number of that person and call that person automatically, and it happens within few seconds. You don't need to go through the contact library and search for the contact. Similarly, this microwave oven, just imagine you order it one, it will go in the cloud and will search for the fish recipes and select one which is available for this kind of ovens and will cook one for you. And it's not end of the game. Again, this oven will also have the capability to self-train. In the early few weeks, probably you have to tell that, okay, I'm eating fish every Wednesday with this kind of this taste, this is my taste. This oven will train itself and keep looking in the cloud. If there will be any better recipe, it will enhance the taste of your food. And it is also possible, for example, you will have apps which you can download and install on your mobile phone, iPhone or Android phone. You will be able to connect via app, and you can monitor the cooking of your food, what is being cooked and in which state it is, so that you can come to your dining table before your meal is ready. So there will be enormous possibilities with this technology which you can actually explore together with other smart devices which you have in your kitchen. And just to demonstrate the capabilities of this oven, what it can do, if you just Google or go in the YouTube, you can see a lot of pictures marketed by different companies who are actually manufacturing these kind of ovens. You can see that in this oven, if you have got a fish which is enclosed in a block of ice, you can actually cook the fish, but the ice will not melt. That shows the capabilities of this oven, that how selectively you can cook the fish, but the ice will not be melted. Can you imagine this? Go and try this in your oven. The ice will melt before anything else can be cooked or something like that. But with this oven, you can really go selectively after whatever you want to do with which component of the food. Considering the enormous advantages of this solid-state power amplifier fed microwave oven, it poses a very reasonable question if it comes to your mind, that why have we not been using this SSPA instead of tubes in the past in our ovens? There are several reasons for that. One of the many reasons is this solid-state power amplifiers were not rugged enough. These were actually quickly burned with the kind of load conditions which we have in the domestic and industrial microwave ovens. But now the current generation of LDMOS and gallium nitride transistors is rugged enough and can also deliver power comparable to a magnetron or the tube technology. In the past, the power delivered by these transistors was not at all comparable with the magnetron or the tube-based technology. Yes, this novel microwave oven 4.0 is commercially available. What I'm talking about today is just not a theory. This oven is available in the market. It was in 2016, an American company introduced solid-state power amplifier fed oven in the market, and soon after that in 2017, a European company as well introduced or demonstrated SSPA fed oven on a technology show in Berlin, I guess. So these were just the early steps for the technology commercialization of SSPA fed microwave oven. The retail price of solid-state power amplifier fed this microwave oven 4.0 is in the range of 10 to 15,000 US dollar. Coming back to the same question which we posed in the very beginning of this video. Will this novel microwave oven 4.0 replace the tube-based or magnetron-based household microwave oven? Or will the tube or magnetron-based oven be obsolete in coming years? The answer is complex, but the short answer, in short run, no. In long run, yes. In short run, no means because at the moment, high-end microwave ovens with all kind of assorted functions like cooking, baking, steaming, whatever, cost less than 1,000 US dollar. And it is very unlikely that consumers will switch from few $100 oven to multiple $1,000 oven. In the long run, yes, because it is anticipated that the cost of transistor technology and associated components will significantly go down in coming years, and we are looking forward that within next 5 to 10 years the general consumer will be also able to benefit from this novel technology with reduced price. With the end of this part 2 of microwave series, I have concluded the discussion about domestic microwave ovens. Starting from next part, which will be part 3 of the series, I will focus my discussion on the industrial microwave heating and drying.